Welcome back to Car Wow 787 channel, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most futuristic machines on the road. If you're passionate about next-generation cars, advanced technology, and game-changing automotive innovation, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because today's feature is something truly different. The 2027 Nissan Sidri is not just another concept car, it's a vision of what driving could look like in the near future. Nissan is stepping far beyond traditional design and engineering, blending electric performance, artificial intelligence, and autonomous capabilities into one seamless experience. At first glance, the Sidri feels like it belongs in a sci-fi world. The design is incredibly sleek, with smooth, flowing lines and a silhouette that looks almost aerodynamic to perfection. There are no unnecessary elements here, everything has a purpose. The front end is clean and minimal, with advanced LED lighting that adapts dynamically to its surroundings. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they communicate, creating a new level of interaction between the vehicle and its environment. And that's where things start to get interesting. The Sidri is designed to talk to the world around it. Using intelligent lighting systems and sensors, it can signal its intentions to pedestrians and other drivers. Imagine a car that visually tells you when it's about to turn, stop, or yield. It's a simple idea, but one that could redefine safety on the road. Underneath this futuristic exterior lies a fully electric platform that promises both efficiency and performance. While exact numbers are still under wraps, it's expected to deliver instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a driving experience that feels both powerful and effortless. The battery placement gives it a low center of gravity, improving stability and handling, making it not just futuristic, but genuinely fun to drive. But performance is only one side of the story. The real highlight of the 2027 Sidri is its intelligence. Nissan is pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving, integrating advanced AI systems that can handle complex traffic scenarios with ease, from busy city streets to long highway journeys. The Sidri is designed to reduce driver stress while maintaining a high level of control and safety. What makes this even more exciting is the flexibility it offers. You can let the car take over during long, tiring commutes, or switch back to full manual control when you want to enjoy the drive. It's not about replacing the driver, it's about enhancing the experience. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and the interior feels like a completely different world. The cabin is designed with a strong focus on minimalism and technology. Traditional buttons are almost non-existent, replaced by a seamless digital interface that responds to touch, voice, and even gestures. The dashboard is dominated by a wide, high-resolution display that provides everything from navigation to entertainment in a clean and intuitive layout. Comfort has also been taken to another level. The seats are designed for long journeys, offering excellent support while maintaining a futuristic aesthetic. Sustainable materials are used throughout the cabin, reflecting a growing focus on eco-friendly design without compromising luxury. Ambient lighting flows through the interior, adapting to your mood or driving mode, creating a personalized atmosphere every time you step inside. Driving the Sidri is expected to feel completely different from traditional cars. The silence of the electric motor, combined with advanced sound insulation, creates a calm and relaxing environment. But when you press the accelerator, the response is instant. There's no delay, no hesitation, just smooth, continuous power that pushes you forward effortlessly. Safety is another area where the Sidri truly shines. It uses a network of sensors, cameras, and AI-driven systems to constantly monitor its surroundings. From collision avoidance to predictive driving assistance, the car is always thinking ahead. It doesn't just react to danger, it anticipates it. This level of intelligence transforms the vehicle into more than just transportation, it becomes a partner on the road. What really sets the 2027 Sidri apart is how it combines multiple innovations into one cohesive vision. It's electric, It's intelligent, it's connected, and it's designed around the driver's experience. It represents a shift in how we think about cars, not just as machines, but as smart systems that adapt to our needs. And that raises an important question: are we ready for this kind of future? Because the Sidri isn't just evolving the automotive world. It's challenging everything we know about driving. It's moving beyond horsepower and design, focusing instead on intelligence, interaction, and experience. That's what makes it so exciting. It's not just about getting from one place to another anymore. It's about how the journey feels, how the car interacts with you, and how technology enhances every moment behind the wheel. If you enjoyed this look into the future of driving, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Car Wow 787 channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Let us know in the comments, would you drive a car like the 2027 Sidri, or do you prefer